Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session for MRCS exam. Here, this is the question. During thyroidectomy, the surgeon ligate the inferior thyroid artery. From which vessels does the structure usually originate? So in this question, they want to know that during the thyroidectomy, surgeon ligate the inferior thyroid artery. We have to find out the origin point of the inferior thyroid artery. The options are external carotid artery, thyrocervical trunk, internal carotid artery, subclavian artery, and vertebral artery. So we have to find out one of the artery from which the inferior thyroid artery derived. So in this picture, first and second picture, it is very clear picture, and here we can see this is the inferior thyroid artery. Here this is the inferior thyroid artery which supplies the lower part of the thyroid gland. This butterfly shaped structure or A-shaped structure is the thyroid gland, and this thyroid gland we can see it is supplied from upper part this artery, from lower part this artery, and here the isthmus it is by the another artery. And here we can see the upper part, it is the superior thyroid artery. This superior thyroid artery, it is branched from the external carotid artery. So the thyroid gland, it receives in upper part the artery, superior thyroid artery, it is branched from the external carotid artery. Then we can see in the lower part, it is supplied by the inferior thyroid artery, and this inferior thyroid artery, it is branched from the thyrocervical trunk, and this thyrocervical trunk, it also branched from the subclavian artery. So inferior thyroid artery branched from thyrocervical artery, and this thyrocervical artery, it is branched from the subclavian artery. And there is another artery which is thyroid ema artery, which is thyroid ema artery. This thyroid ema artery is derived from brachiocephalic artery. This is the brachiocephalic artery. In the second picture also only highlighted that this is the superior thyroid artery, this is inferior thyroid artery, and this is thyroid ema artery, and these three arteries supply the thyroid gland. And here you can see this is the inferior thyroid artery branch from the thyrocervical artery. So it is crystal clear now the artery supply of the thyroid gland. Here this is the superior thyroid artery branch from external carotid artery, inferior thyroid artery branch from thyrocervical trunk, and thyroid ema artery which is branch from the subclavian artery. Actually it is not subclavian, it is brachiocephalic, so this is not true. So it is here the superior thyroid artery from the external carotid artery, inferior thyroid artery from the thyrocervical trunk, which is branch of the subclavian artery, and sometimes thyroid ema artery, which is branch from the not subclavian artery, it is brachiocephalic artery. Brachiocephalic artery. So it is now crystal clear for us that the inferior thyroid artery it derived from the thyrocervical trunk. Thank you all.